Hi, my name is Hilary Alger and I'm the Flowers Product Manager here at Johnny's Selected Seeds. Today we're going to build a simple bouquet. So to get started, we're going to need a few basic supplies. Rubber bands, some twine, and something to trim the stems, either a sharp knife or clippers. I prefer to use clippers. It's easiest to create a dynamic looking bouquet if you start with flowers in a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures. So here we have Lisianthus, which is a nice focal flower, snapdragons for a spike and to give us some height, pillar flowers such as statice and feverfew, as well as some small accent flowers. So we're going to start with a sturdy flower that's well branched to give us some initial structure. We're going to take this first stem and angle each stem around. I'm going to turn it 1/3 to 1/2. Half a turn, add. I'm going to keep adding the status for a while. You can start adding in some other types of flowers, like this carrot flower. I'm going to turn, add another one. So now that we have a good base started, I'm going to start adding some focal flowers. I'm going to add one and turn about 1/3 to 1/2 the way around. This gives a good distribution of each type of flower. Add and turn. After I complete about one rotation, I'm going to switch to another type of flower. I'm trying to keep my hand loose to maintain these angles. I need to get another snap in there. See, I missed this side, making a little hole there. So I'm going to keep adding. It's getting pretty full now. It's good to check. See, I've got a space with a lot of status here. I probably should add in something to make that space more interesting. Feed in a Lisianthus. Maybe that, not that one. How about a little bit of snapdragon? Even when you're feeding in these stems from the top, you can keep them at an angle, at the same angle. It'll keep this neat and easy to work with. So now maybe a few little accent flowers like this nice Cinderella zinnia. Accent flowers are sort of the flower that's in between your focal and your filler in terms of size. See, I'm getting a lot of long stems here, so I can go ahead and cut some of those off, make it a little bit easier to work with. And I can get a better look at my bouquet from the top. So we've almost completed this bouquet, and to finish it up, we're going to add a layer of strong stems around the exterior of the bouquet to protect it. So status is a nice strong one. Just going to turn and add. Maybe some of this sorghum Sudan grass. Give it a little bit of a wildflower look. That looks pretty good. I'll just cut our stems. I'm going to put a few rubber bands on here. I placed a couple on my wrist to make it a little bit easier. I just wind it around. So here we have this nearly complete bouquet, and we're going to use our twine and just dress it up a little. We're going to cover our rubber bands. There's all kinds of beautiful ways to wrap these. We're just going to do something really simple. Made a slip knot in that twine. I'm going to wrap it around, covering the first rubber band. Just continue wrapping. And a little more to cover the second one, second rubber band. And we're just going to tuck that in there, around. And there you have it.